came across this video by Tech with David where he was comparing a Raspberry Pi with an AI hat and without an AI hat, with hopes that it would help speed up his LLM performance. Well, unfortunately, I didn't do my research either. But while I got you here today, I would like to share some of my benchmarks that I came across with some of the hardware I was able to test out. So I went ahead and ordered the 13 tops Halo AI hat, as well as the 26 tops Halo AI hat. I just got them today. I haven't set them up, but after watching this video, I'm a bit sad. It's not going to help improve the performance of my Pi5 with 8 gigs of RAM. But, you know, let's see how it works against the Pi5 with 16 gigs of RAM. Now, disclaimer, I do not have my Pi5 with 16 gigs of RAM set up yet, but I do have my OrangePI that has 16 gigs of RAM. I'm going to run the same test that he ran without the AI hats and see what kind of performance we get. Now, in the terminal on the left, this is my Pi5 with 8 gigs of RAM. And the terminal on the right, this is my OrangePI with 16 gigs of RAM. Now, both of these Pis have SSDs connected to them with the Pi hat, or an alternative to the official Pi hat, but they do have SSDs attached to them, which allows more throughput from what I was able to research. So with this, I'm looking to see what type of speeds they'll get. Unfortunately, by the looks of it, I'm getting the same speeds that David was with his Pi set up with and without the AI hat. So I guess I'm in the same boat as David, where neither an SSD nor an AI hat is speeding up the LLM's performance. If anybody has any ideas, feel free to comment below. Give me some tips, because ultimately I was hoping to make a small AI mini PC for my dad for his birthday. And it looks like I might just have to get him something a little bit more beefier with more GPU and RAM, in hopes that I find something that can make my dream or his birthday gift come true. All right, see you guys later.